Hello and welcome back to my video classes. In this class we're going to look at more British interjections, and this is episode 2 series 1. So let's just remind ourselves about what exactly interjections are. So remember, they are words or phrases or noises that a speaker can use to show feeling or emotion, and they are often used in spoken English and sometimes in writing. Let's get started. Number 1, yippy. Yippee! So we are expressing excitement, so I can say, yippee, we're going to the beach. Yikes! Yikes! This is to show negative shock. Yikes! Your father sounds pretty scary himself. Duh! Duh! Again, this is used to show someone is behaving or acting stupid, or you are feeling annoyed with someone. So you can say, duh! You even forgot your own wedding? Good. Number 4. This is used when you are thinking about something but you're not sure if you want to go ahead. So I can say, are you going to the party tonight? I'm not sure. You're thinking about it but you're not saying yes to it. Number 5. To show agreement with someone without saying right. You're learning a new language takes a long time, doesn't it? Number 5. So again, this is a noise we make with our mouth, but we close our mouth, and it's used to really show agreement with someone without saying right. So for example, I can say, learning a new language takes a long time, doesn't it? So again, these are two different noises separately and with our mouth closed. So again, it's slightly different, but this time is to show you disagree with someone and you're showing doubt in something but using a questioning tone. So I can say, did you think the English exam was easy? I hated it. Good. So now let's have a quick recap. Number 1, again, yippee, excitement. Yikes, to show negative shock. Duh, to show you are annoyed or you are kind of annoyed by someone's stupidity. You're saying someone is stupid. When you are thinking about something. To show agreement with someone without saying right. So let's just compare number 4 and number 5. So number 4 is Number 5 is Number 6 Two separate noises to show we disagree with what someone is saying, and we're showing doubt in something using a questioning tone. Okay, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in episode 3 in the next class. Bye bye.